Hi, welcome to Minicab Drivers Lifeline. A lot of people do not know that they can claim a licensing refund from Transport for London. So we are going to talk about it today and tell you exactly how to get the refund. Whether you are a black cab taxi driver or a private hire PCO driver, getting your money back requires sending your request to the right department. Let's break down the exact email address and strict rules. First, the most important rule that applies to everyone: your upfront application fee is completely non-refundable once submitted. So you have an application fee that you pay. This is completely non-refundable. However, you can claw back the grant of license fee portion, but you only if you withdraw your application or get refused before the final license is actually issued. So one is a license application fee, non-refundable. For this fee is for the TfL to process your application, and grant fee is that once you have passed your assessment, you have gone to the last stage when they issue the license to you. So this is something you can claim a refund if you withdraw your application or before it is license issued, or if you failed your assessment or for any other reason your license get refused. Now let us look at the exact number. For private hire drivers, out of your 343 total, only the 205 pound grant fee is refundable. For black cab taxi drivers, you can get back 195 out of your 310 total. For vehicles, you can rescue 56 for private hire and 50 for a black cab. Remember, you lose the processing fee no matter what. So processing fee will be lost, that license will be lost. Now, to get a driver grant fee refund, it's the same email address for both taxi drivers and private hire drivers. It is drivers@tphtfl.gov.uk. For the vehicle fee, the contact email is vehicle@tfl.gov.uk. This is for both taxi and private hire. If you are requesting for a operator license refund fee, then it is operators@tph.tfl.gov.uk. There is a major trap to avoid. If you are seeking a partial refund or cancellation layout for a vehicle inspection appointment, do not email TfL. Its guidelines explicitly state you must call their main line directly on 0343 222 5555 to handle inspection fees. To prevent messy processing delays, type refund request followed by your application number or the license number if it is a renewal in the subject line. Inside, provide your full name, your full address, and the application or license number, reference number. Here is a example email for yourself if you want to write to TfL. So you can just copy and paste, follow the template. I probably will put it in the description of the YouTube video, so you can easily copy it from there. Lastly, once your email is sent, that's it. Now you should just wait for your refund to arrive. But remember, if you ever decide to try again, you don't have to navigate the process alone. We provide full support with your application completion to ensure it is completely error-free. Plus, we offer expert guidance to help you pass your mandatory TfL CERU, topographical and B1 speaking and listening assessment on your very first try. For more information, head over to cerumocktest.co.uk or drop us a call, text or WhatsApp right now on 0755 180 8946. Lastly, please make sure if you found it useful, then like it, share it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well to keep yourself up to date with all the news related to TfL private hire and TfL taxi licensing. Thank you.